And the person will say Environmental Service Providers Association from ESPA. So okay more. In so to see no more and a namsa. We will make Accra the cleanest city and no more and a namsa. The Executive Secretary Mame Ama Ofori and Chabeka yes. Mambo Cody.
Boko.
In Subit the same phone off. Subit 20. You say Yanimwa.
Yanimwa.
More friendly as we are fremo.
Michia and Obia somewhere Hayanopi.
Yes, yes, I pay Swajibre, Abeka send me a battery and combo. So on a pen come the air about 2025 budget. Yeah, the finance minister, Honorable Atoforsen, at the Tuja. I never commit me abuama or may edimi pie I want the Honsen. Environmental Service Providers Association. Eba I want the Honsen more. Budgety trade mamono. Are you okay?
Yo, me das. Sana odi kan no. Ye kuo na ye kasama environment and sanitation.
Okay.
Na me kasa anopem pese obianti ase se eba ye mpomudie ana sanitation issues na efa ye nyina ye ho mema obi ndwen se eye obi adwuma ana se eye obi dia. But as a nation, no, I want this morning to focus on the entire nation, Ghana, as a country. What is it? Where have we placed the environmental and sanitation sector in the first one? Okay. And the second person will be absent as say Environmental Service Providers Association, Association of Private Waste Contractors. Na yeni MMDAs na ejuma me kama Metropolitan Municipal and District Assemblies no yeni omo na ye ejuma ebom nti sebi omo ni ye key stakeholders omo ni ho a ye ni ho nti ye ejuma na ye no ase ye ni aban no ayonkufa ye ntimi ni omo enku nti more often than not no ubeti ye beka say waste belongs to the public. Is for public good, governance, and na abasa, and say, Jumana, no munima, yentiminye. And whatever it is, we need them. Intina a key say budgets near bed a barbonteno. Kadena dada, if you be brave, and a yahoo. Uber say sector near a boy with yamaye, ya travel yamaye. Mummy number dear dances, say you education, dear. Free SHS, sanitary pads. Maybe some people saying, "Man, you are not using sanitary pads." Maybe are they have the government thought about it? Who is the end user of this product? Is it not the sanitation sector?
One the best for the free biaya or
good. It is sanitation. Need a multi-sectorial for high waha, for agriculture waha, for yampomudia. Inti budget na epie ye no man shade hu the usual sana ya twa obi ade ama no we kwa ha
allocations na ye no
good
mu ahunu ne fa sanitation ho
man shade hu hwi me hu bulk money bi a ade ama local government so bulk money no kra na 80% e be kwa ma direct assemblies no okay. We don't have a problem with that. So what is the sanitation component?
Okay.
Yanimsa assemblies, your masede, your majuma, any my juma nas che. As if all that is not enough, no. You say sanitation and pollution levy, no. One of the good initiatives and is other African countries grow more who no musoma copy almost almost start practicing because when it comes to the issue of sanitation and kasan, there is always challenges with funding. Okay. Into one of the novel ways Ghana just IFA and Crofocracia if you on ASR sanitation and pollution levy. It is sanitation and pollution levy and in actors no sector. Yɛde ase infrastructure. Na saa infrastructure and then what is the aim? Say yɛbɛ ensure see yɛbɛyɛ recycling into your products bebree no ɛnkɔ wie wɔ landfills because and the landfills no kora bi ni hɔ. Obi abɛka kyerɛ sɛ not at my backyard. Obi ampɛ boiler ɛwɔ ne fikyire. Nti no recycling plants yɛ a yɛsisi. Nti ni ate boiler no dodo ɛbɛkɔ akɔwie wɔ ɛbɛkɔ akɔwie wɔ final disposal site no. Final disposal site no they are indispensable, but what we can do is say yɛtumi yɛ recycling. Na sɛbi yɛ 60% yɛ almost organic. Yɛtumi de yɛ manure compost yi na yɛde yɛ farming. Na yɛyi plastics na yɛyi waste kakra no. Ɛyɛ dɛ kakra bɛka na yɛde kɔ final disposal site. Nti sanitation and pollution levy no ɛbaeɛ no yɛde yɛ infrastructure. Make infrastructures no kra esisi hɔ a ɛkada hɔ bebree aban ɛnhyɛ da ɛntuaeɛ. Nti sɛ yɛasɛ hu budget na even kakra na mo ankasa mo ayɛ sɛ mo de bɛ support sector no na budget no so kra sa akɔ akɔkyerɛ se saa sika no sanitation and pollution levy no ɛnsa nkɔ back to energy sector no
which is go back to the energy sector levy no the esla no
na mfa nkɔ tua electricity debts na aban. Meanwhile no debts bebree wɔ sanitation sector no man ka ho hwee.
Yeah, a quick one yɛde awie mo opepa sɛ mbɛhyia the local government minister na aliswa mo hunu so fa ne budget na component or the sanitation. Okay.
It is a any next engagement yɛpɛsɛ by budget no afi number be debate afi number be ka ho asɛm nti yɛbɛsrɛ aban sɛ sɛna na your friend is say policy no act the sanitation and pollution levy no act is backed by a law nti sɛna yɛ omo budget omo trust road ni electricity then should be used for the intended purpose. Yes, the same as the sanitation and pollution levy should also be used for the same intended purpose.
Yeah, I see.
And yes, it's going to affect the sector badly. Already we have so many challenges so this should not come to add to it.
But I say, Mame Ama Ofori, entry executive secretary of the Environmental Service Providers Association, and I'm to say no entry and Maswokano. In soon to be a wide encoso. In social say a talk, nation say a unifier. In the bones say I am Cassia and I may any AD and better sound of pencil. Become me and combo.